Hi, my name is Luis Suarez. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to drive a manual car. Come on in and I'll show you. A manual car doesn't start like an automatic car. You don't just turn the key and it'll start. First, you have to press the clutch down and then the car will start. A manual car doesn't have the same operation as an automatic car. You have three pedals: the gas, the brake, and then the clutch. Come on inside and I'll show you how to drive this thing now. So in order to get going, first you press your foot on the brake, you take the handbrake off, press the clutch down and put the car in first gear. From there, you're gonna lift the clutch up very slowly and give it a little bit of gas, because if you don't, the car will stall. Over here, you'll see that you have your rev counter. Once it gets to about 3,000 RPM, it's a general good rule of thumb to shift it up a gear. So now we're in second. And then from second, in a parking lot, you can pretty much get around. Once you get into the street, it's easier to put it into third. Highway gears are fourth, fifth, and sixth. Here's a close-up of what all the different gears look like.
Start over.
Okay. Here's a close-up of what all the different gears look like. You have first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, and sixth gear. Then you have the reverse gear. In order to engage the reverse gear, you have to lift up this little handle, shift it all the way to the right, and then down. And now the car is in reverse. When you go to park your car, you just have to make sure you always lift the handbrake up before you park, or else the car will roll away. But that's about all you need to know to learn how to drive a manual car. Now it's your turn. Go for it.